Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I am here with a special pattern called Blackberry Pattern, and you see small berries here. It is worked with the multiples of 12 plus 2 as the foundation chains, and it is a repeat of rows 2 to 5 for the pattern, and you can repeat rows 2 to 5 for the any length of your desired project. Okay, I worked this with baby yellow Aran 100% premium anti-peel acrylic yarn, and its color code is 2048. For demonstration, I'm going to use the baby cake yarn, which is 3028 color code. Okay, and to begin with, I'll make the required number of chains and get back to you. The shells that are used in this pattern contains DC chain 1 4 times and DC, and the V stitch is a 2 DC V stitch, 2 DC chain 1 2 DC. Okay, I'm ready with, I have made 2 repeats of 12 plus 2, 26 chains. To begin with, make a single crochet in the second chain from the hook, chain 3, skip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and in the sixth make a shell. The shell consists of double crochet, chain 1 4 times, double crochet, chain 1 1 time, double crochet, chain 1 2 times, double crochet, chain 1 third time, double crochet, chain 1 4 times, and double crochet, all in the same chain or the stitch marked. Okay, and chain 3, skip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and a single crochet. Again repeat, chain 3, shell in the sixth stitch, 1 2 3, chain 3, skip 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and in the next make a shell. Shell is DC chain 1 DC 4 times DC. I shall complete that and get back to you. We are left with 6 chains here, chain 3, and place a single crochet in the very last stitch. This completes row 1 for us. Pull this up and tighten it. You can chain 3 and turn, or turn and make 3 double crochets all in the very first single crochet here. Chain 1, single crochet in chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet in next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet in next chain 1 space, chain 1. In the SC, make 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Two double crochets, chain 1, two double crochets, chain 1, single crochet in the chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet under chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet under chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet under chain 1 space, chain 1, and place 3 double crochets in the last stitch here. For row 3, chain 3 and turn, or turn, make 3 double crochets all in the same stitch, very first stitch. Chain 2, single crochet under the chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet under chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet under chain 3 place, chain 2, 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets under the chain 1 space between the 2 double crochet V stitch. Chain 2, single crochet under chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet under next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet under next chain 3 space, and chain 2, place 3 double crochets in the very last stitch here. For row 4, sorry, let me place the 2 more double crochets. Row 4, chain 3 and turn, make a double crochet in the very first stitch, 2 more double crochets in the same stitch, chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet on the next chain 3 space, chain 3, 2 double crochet, chain 1, 2 double crochet on the chain 1 space, chain 3, single crochet on the chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet on the chain 3 space, chain 3, 3 double crochets in the very last stitch here. This V is little tight, yeah. For row 5, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in the very first stitch, chain 3, and a shell under this chain 3 space. DC, chain 1, DC 4 times, DC in this chain 3 space. I shall make that and get back to you. Now chain 3, single crochet under chain 1 space, again chain 3, shell in this chain 3 space. I finished the shell, chain 3, single crochet in the very last stitch here, so this completes one complete pattern repeat of rows 2 to 5, and you can repeat the rows 2 to 5 for the length of your project. So I repeated a few more times, and this is how I got. This is the monocolor, and the multicolor is working out beautifully well. So please do subscribe to Magic Needles channel, friends. Do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Please do like, share with your friends, and I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Bye for now. Have a great day.